Hey guys, I'm Brent. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, we're going to talk about the wisdom in confessing your sin. As we conclude this series on wisdom to live by, I want to give us one final nugget of wisdom. It's probably the most important nugget I can give you. And the final nugget is simply this: confession is better than concealing. You see, Proverbs 28:13, it says this: people who conceal their sins will not prosper, but if they confess and turn from them, they will receive mercy. As a kid, I can remember a time I was playing around my grandparents' house, and my cousin and I broke one of the picture frames hanging on the wall. Now, instead of admitting what we did, I decided to throw the frame outside, hoping that no one would notice. It wasn't long before my granddad discovered shattered glass and a broken frame sitting outside the patio. And as a grown man, I'll never forget hearing my dad tell me that he and my granddad weren't necessarily mad that I broke the frame. They were actually more disappointed behind the fact that I tried to cover it up. This is exactly how God feels about you and I when we try to cover up our sin. You see, when we refuse to acknowledge that we have a problem and ask for help, you and I can actually do more damage when we try to conceal our wrong. The best option is always confess your wrong. You see, concealing leads to more trouble, while confession leads to mercy. And this principle just doesn't apply to your spiritual life. It applies to your personal life as well. So the next time you find yourself in the wrong, whether it's a private sin that only God can see or an offense that could have a negative impact on a personal relationship, I want to encourage you to confess, because confession is far more beneficial than concealing.